Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Vivo and opening settings. This is where all vibration controls live. Once in settings, tap sound and vibration, or sound on some models, to reach the central controls. Make sure you have the phone in your hand and quick access to the screen, because the next step is to locate the vibrate or vibration intensity option and prepare to toggle it off. This disables the baseline vibrations the system uses for alerts and feedback. Now you will disable specific vibration sources. First, toggle off the main vibrate or vibration intensity setting to stop system-wide feedback. Then, make sure to open call settings and notifications to switch off vibrate for calls and notifications independently, because some models keep these separate. Finally, go to System Sounds or Keyboard Settings and turn off touch and keyboard vibrations so typing and screen presses no longer vibrate. This ensures a complete finish by testing. Lock the screen and trigger a notification or call to confirm vibrations are off. If vibration persists, restart the phone first, because system services sometimes cache settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb or app-specific notification settings aren't overriding your preferences, and check for a system update that may fix bugs. If nothing helps, reset sound settings or perform a settings reset. This clears misconfigurations while keeping your data intact as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.